we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hello my lovely friends, and welcome to another video. I'm Alex from Alex's Art Corner, and in this video I'll be chatting and painting, and hopefully you will also join me. It is a brand new series that I'll be starting with this video on my channel called Paint and Chat, and I hope to do more videos like this in the future, but please let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this type of video. And also, of course, if you do like the video, it would be amazing if you liked it, if you commented on it and shared it with other fellow artists. As you can see, I am starting by sketching a little face. I have been asked why am I only drawing one eye. I'm not entirely sure. It is something I've started a while ago and which is kind of, I don't know, a bit of a trademark now. I am drawn to drawing giant eyes, but just doing one just gives the whole face a completely new dimension, and it also makes me think of masks and how it is so easy to hide behind them, and the idea that we all wear some kind of mask at different times during the day or in our lives in different situations is quite interesting to me. So I think drawing just one eye and leaving the rest of the face blank is something that makes me think of that. So I'm using my Winsor & Newton watercolor paper and my brand new mini set also from Winsor & Newton, because I have decided to challenge myself and not postpone using my most expensive supplies anymore. And this is because I'm trying to basically live in the moment and not think that things are better left for another day. So talking about not leaving things for another day, if you have anywhere to go for lovely walks like I am so lucky to be able to do where we live, because we live very close to the Thames in London, if you have a place where you can spend some time outdoors, I really encourage you to do that. And if time is a problem, of course, managing that time is always difficult. But look at this gorgeous scenery. Look how amazing the clouds look and the sky. It was such an amazing and beautiful evening, and I think I would have missed out on so much had I not decided to go for that walk. And I feel very inspired by where we live. And look at these gorgeous colors after those beautiful clouds. It just makes my heart sing. So once the watercolor in her hair is dry, I decided to start working on the face. I'm not quite sure about this particular shade of brown here, but once I started, I just decided to keep going. This is the beauty of watercolors. You are always surprised by what they look like once you let them dry. And here's another beautiful scene from the same evening walk. And yeah, I just invite you to breathe alongside the beautiful scenery, and remember also to leave some time aside for playtime. So I have a beautiful little cat called Lola. We've had her for more than half a year now. We call her our lockdown cat because we decided to have her after a long time. We had a cat before, but he unfortunately passed away. He was quite old, and now we have Lola, and we're so happy that she is with us. So yeah, this is what I wanted to chat about today. taking every opportunity to be in the moment, to be present. Look at these gorgeous colors. I think from this particular painting, what I enjoyed the most is actually this particular bit where I decided to just try out colors in the background. I didn't have any hidden agenda. I just wanted to see what happened if I tried different colors and what happened if I just put them together. And look at this amazing effect that I ended up with. So experimenting and being in the moment, seeing what happens, is always a great opportunity to grow as an artist, and I think also to grow as a person. So yeah, I just invite you to go and take out your most expensive supplies and most expensive paper and just go for it. Just forget of all the things that your mind might be telling you. Forget about how you might think, oh, but I think I need to wait for, the perfect opportunity for this. There is no perfect opportunity. It's just the now, and the now is calling you. Go for it.